Number 4. Offset page. This page will support you to establish offset value of workpiece, the length, the diameter of cutting tool. With H is the length and D is the diameter of cutting tool. Next is the tool number page. In this page, we will enter the name of the current tool in the tool magazine. The users also can quickly assign the machine coordinate, auxiliary coordinate value to the specified coordinate system by selecting Work Set and choose Apply Machine or Apply Auxiliary Values. The F54 controller also has a feature to determine the center point coordinate by calculating the coordinate at 4 points of rectangle workpiece and at 3 points of circle workpiece. For example, with the circle workpiece, after setting the 3 points coordinate according to the image described above, the coordinate of the center point will be displayed at PXM, PYM, and R is the radius of workpiece. Number 5. Monitor page. At this page, the user can monitor all the working coordinates of machine, G-code program, G-code group is activated, and another parameters of machine. When you select Simulation feature, you can check the shape of working program by many view modes such as Engraving 2D, Milling 2D, Engraving 3D, and Milling 3D. You also can know the minimum and maximum travel value of workpiece. Next is MDI feature. The users can manually enter a command for the controller. Press the auto button to switch to MDI mode. For example, that I want to activate the water coolant system, I will enter M8 command to the controller as you can see. Another mode is auto option. In this mode, you can select where you want to start at any command lines, continue running at the last command line being stopped before, and disable or enable the NC cut feature. For example, if you want to start from any command line, you only need to enter the number of the line that you want to run, then select the Set New Line button. After that, select the Start from Line button, switch to Auto mode, and press the Cycle Start button. Next, if you are in the machining process, and the machine suddenly loses the power, and you're worried about that the controller couldn't save the last working process. With the F54 controller, this problem is solved. You only need to press the Continue button in Auto Option mode. Then you can back to work. Final is NC Cut feature. When you enable this feature, if the machine is in working process but suddenly lost the power and the machine being stopped, then you turn machine on and continue from the last stop command. At this time, the controller will automatically create a secondary program to activate all of necessary G-code, such as turning on spindle, returning to the home position, activating the coolant system before running to the last stop command. And when you disable this feature, the controller will automatically jump to the last command and skip all command lines.